Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: a camera-capable device and an AR authoring tool. Install Unity with AR Foundation or sign up for a web AR service. Choose based on distribution needs. Once done, import or convert your 3D model to GLB/FBX or prepare a video file and compress it under recommended sizes. Make sure to test the asset locally so it runs at 30-60 FPS. You'll now create a marker or QR trigger that links to this asset and host the bundle where the QR can fetch it. You assemble the scene, place an anchor, add realistic lighting, enable occlusion, and attach interaction scripts like tap to scale or play. In Unity, set up AR Foundation's Trackable Manager. In Web AR, implement XR extras and a loader for your GLB. Next, configure how the QR will trigger content. Use a short URL, a deep link, or a Cloud Anchor ID published to your AR backend. Once connected, run profiling, reduce poly count and textures, and verify interactions on the target device. You deploy by uploading files to a CDN or AR cloud and generating a QR that points to the entry URL or Cloud Anchor ID. Then test on multiple devices, different networks, and varying lighting. Make sure the AR loads quickly and anchors stably. If something goes wrong, first confirm HTTPS, CORS headers, correct manifest, and asset paths. Also check QR encoding and byte length. Oversized shortener redirects can break some scanners. Finally, iterate on compression and caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.